This is the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, the 2025 smartphone model. Let's unbox it and see if this budget-friendly flagship actually delivers. Inside you get the phone, a SIM ejector tool, a user manual, some paperwork, a refrigerator sticker, and a USB-C to USB-C cable for data transfer and charging. However, a power adapter is not included in the box. The phone looks great and feels very premium in the hand. The metal frame feels nice too, though the pre-installed screen protector film is quite thick. And now let's move on to the camera, video, and phone test, including an amazing zoom test